Make sure to activate the device before using for the first time. Otherwise, some functions will be unavailable. The air unit needs to be powered via the 3-in-1 cable during activation. Power on the aircraft and connect the air unit via the USB-C port to a computer. Download the latest version of the DJI Assistant 2 Consumer Drone Series from the DJI official website. Launch DJI Assistant 2 and log in with a DJI account. Click Device and activate the device according to the on-screen prompts. It is recommended to power off the air unit to avoid overheating affecting the update. Launch DJI Assistant 2, select the product, and click the Firmware Update button on the left side. Select the latest firmware version, then click Update, Start Update. Wait for the firmware to download. The firmware update will start automatically. After the update is complete, restart the device to ensure the new firmware takes effect.